Hi everybody, hope everyone's doing well. Well, today I have a mystery box unboxing from Tarte. This is the very first time that I've done a mystery box with them. I believe this box was $49 and I believe it was like $215 or so, $210 in value. That's what they said, I believe. So anyways, I just unboxed it, or rather I just cut the tape around it. And so we are going to get right to it. So it is all nice packaged up like that. I get really, really nervous with unboxings or mystery boxes because I'm so picky, you guys, when it comes to either mascaras, foundation, and concealers, things that are very emollient, things that are very serum-y. Serum-y, is that a word? Just because I do have just problematic issues when it comes to my lashes and scarring and things like that. So I do get a little weary, but anyways, I am very, very excited. Let me take the wrapper off so you don't hear all that noise. I know Tarte is pretty heavy on their maracuja oil things, and I will tell you that I tried it in December, the maracuja under eye concealer, and I had to take it back. It didn't work out for me. It was very emollient, and that it creased and it settled into my fine lines. So we'll see. We'll see. I really contemplated this box, you guys, but we'll see. All right, I'm just going to go right at it. Oh, wow. So we have a brush. This is a Sugar Squad. Yeah. And it's a Skin Treat brush. Let's open it. Oh, very fancy looking. Wow. And it can even, yeah, it sits on your desk. It can. Ooh, very dense. It says Sugar Rush. It's very dense. I would think this is really good for like blush, like cream blushes, cream products, because it's very dense. Wow, okay, all right. That's good. All right, the next one I see here is the Maracuja Rouge, wait, let's say it in English. Yeah, Maracuja Juicy Shift. This is a, let me get my glasses, you guys. Maracuja Magic pH Shade Shifting Lip Color. Shifting Lip Color. Flower Powered. Maracuja Juicy Shift Self Starter. I don't know, you guys. There's a lot of name calling here. Okay, let me see. Oh wow, this also feels pretty fancy. This is, let me see, Maracuja Shift Self Starter. Ay, ay, ay. A ver. Shifting Lip Color. Okay. Okay. Do I push it down? There it is. Okay, I like the emolliency of it. So it should shift. I have some lipstick on already. But yeah, very interesting. I wanted pink too, you guys. The thing about this one is I have a lot of these sort of terracotta kind of brown, you know what I mean? And I wanted something pink. So this is good. This is really, really good. And I found this, you guys. It was way at the bottom. I didn't see it. It was this. MVP 20% off. Sign up for Tarte Text, which I already do. And you just get this. This was way at the bottom. So there's that. Okay, and I forgot to tell you, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I thought it was 9 products. I could be wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 products. I don't know why I thought it said 9. Anyway, this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl Shimmering Daisy. And again, I guess it's the same concept. So you push here at the bottom. And that's this one. Making a mess. They're so emollient. These maracuja ones. That oil is so emollient, which is nice. Especially for like the winter and stuff. But oof. Oh, okay. So you have another one of these. One says Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl. The other one is Maracuja Juicy Shift. So it shifts with you. All right. Let me take that off. The next one is Fake Away Eye Highlight. So you put it down there on the water line. Okay. I just did that today with one of the liners that I have. So that's nice. And it has a smudger, I think. Is that a smudger? Yeah, so it has a smudger on this side. And let's swatch that one. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, right there. That's going to be really, really nice for that waterline. Okay, I like that a lot. And I don't have anything this color. All the ones that I have are color. You know, that different shades, but this is like a very nice nude. Okay, like that a lot actually. All right, and then we got Tarte Gifted Amazon Clay Smart Mascara. Amazonian clay nourishes, plant waxes, boost volume and length. I love the lengthening ones. And it gives the difference that it would look. Dang, if I can get my lashes like that without a lot of clumpiness, I would love it. Now, as far as, and it's in black. As far as opening this one up, and this is the wand right there. I like that wand. As far as opening this one, I'm not going to, because I have two on the go really right now. Ooh, so it looks like this. Good way for me to try this mascara. Anyway, I got these two in a pouch, so let's see what this is. Okay, this is the Glow Tape Highlighter in Golden Glow. This is my second highlighter that's a cream, so it's good. I tell you, their packaging just looks so bougie. Look at that. I like that. The only thing with me, I don't like these type of applicators, but that's okay because I just take my brush and then I put it on. Yeah, you just twist that and then it comes out. Shall we try it? Let's try it. So I'm going to, whoa, comes out a lot. There's that. So you just push that. Let me put it on this hand. That one has all kind of oil. Oh, it is golden. It is golden for sure. There it is. It is golden. Yeah, it's nice. It is gold though. Very, very golden. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, got that. But this is my second creamy highlighter, which is good. I didn't have many cream highlighters. Okay, this is another cream product. And this is the liquid blush in pink. I like the cream and I wanted pink. I don't have a lot of pink. I have a lot of the more of the, you know, like the orange, not orange, but coral. Oh, very nice. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. That is pretty. So this one here, I love this one. And the final thing that I got was the Tarte Blush and Glow Cheek Plump. Blush and Glow. Raspberry. So it's another blush. This one has like a metallic. see. This one feels heavy. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Doe foot. Oh yeah, that is nice. Oh my gosh, how are you gonna use this all up? That's pretty big, right? How am I gonna use that one all up? Okay, it's there at the bottom. Wow, so again, this is the Dot Along Cheek Blend. Volume Plump Complex for cheeks that appear plumper and lifted. Okay. Watercolor that delivers a natural, healthy glow. Unique cooling serum textures and smooths. Oh, I'm all about smoothing textures. So that's nice. I like that. I like that. Did the other one say what it did? This other blush one? Yeah, no, it doesn't really say if there's anything unique about it. No, no. This pink one and then the highlight one. No, it doesn't. But yeah, this one does. This one says it smooths, it lifts, it plumps, gives you a healthy glow. And I like the color. I like the raspberry. I like this color. Very nice. I don't have a lot of this. And that was everything, you guys. That's everything that I got. A lot of cream products, you know, with that maracuja. I did get 9. I did get 9. I knew I did. This one. I did get 9. Okay. Let me open it. These are the Tarte Pro Vegan Lashes. Whoa. Does it have a style? Goddess. You know what? I don't think I'm going to open these. I like wearing false lashes. I haven't done it lately, but I used to wear them a lot. And I do have a lot of false lashes. I just don't know if these are something that I really would wear. So I'm just going to hold on to these and see what I'll do. Because I can tell you, I just don't think I'm going to be wearing these. So I'll see what I'll do with these. But yes, I did get 9. The lipsticks, I will tell you, I'm very excited about the lipsticks. I am. This is like what I'm into right now is different balm, emollients, oils, and things like that. And I feel like these have a lot of that. I don't know about the wearability on them. One has a pH shade, so it'll shift. I like that. And I like the color. It's that sort of very, well, it shifts, so I don't know if it'll stay this particular color. But I like that pink. And then this one is a vinyl, a shimmering daisy. I like that too. So I really, really do like these two. This I can definitely use because I've been into that as far as putting some type of highlighted color into the waterline a little bit, in the center in particular. So I'm really liking this. That is really, really good. This one, I'm going to tell you right now, this Golden Glow, I don't know how much use I will get out of it, but I got it. I'll try it and see. Maybe it might surprise me. This one, yeah, it's not a shade that I necessarily go to for a highlight, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll try it. You know, might be surprising. This pink one, I do love. I love the pink blush. I've been into cream blushes. And so I like that. I like that I got pink too. Don't have a lot of that. The raspberry one, especially what it says as far as the properties in it, the plumping, the volume, the complex cheeks that appear plumpier and lifted, and the healthy glow, and the unique cooling serum texture that smooths. So I'm interested in this one too. Love that. And this we will see. The mascara. I'm not going to open this right away because I have 2 on the go. And so I don't want to open this one, you guys. I don't like to have more than 2 open. And this intrigues me. I like the density of it, and they're good for cream. So maybe that's why we got this, because we got so many cream products for our cheeks to use along with our cheeks in the cream. Because it's very, very dense and very, very soft. And it's not a heavy brush, not at all. So I'm glad that I got this. Yeah, just the shimmer gold highlight and these. We'll see. All right, my friends, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me take my glasses so you don't get the glare. Yeah, I wanted to try it out. I've never tried out the Tarte, and I'm glad that I did. Again, this was $49. I know probably good price for what I got, because I know Tarte can run a little expensive. But yeah, that is everything, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next unboxing. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.